Justin Deseck here, London, Ontario Realtor, coming to you today from the rooftop of one of the most sought-after condo buildings in downtown London. We're here today at 7 Picton Street, where on this rooftop you have beautiful views of Victoria Park and City Hall. Downstairs we have a fully renovated, move-in ready, amazing 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. Let's go check it out. Here we are inside this 1,347 square foot unit called the Abbey. Have a look around. Who doesn't love open concept? This could be your living room. This could be your dining room. And check out your custom kitchen. Here's your spacious primary bedroom with custom walk-in closets with built-ins and a beautiful ensuite washroom. This unit comes with underground parking, access to this full fitness center with pool and hot tub. Opportunities like this do not come along very often. Don't hesitate to reach out to your agent or myself if you want to take a closer look. Justin Deseck, London, Ontario Realtor. Bye for now.